Not sure how to get started using Droplr on your Mac? You'll learn the basics to get your work done faster. During this demo, we'll go over an overview of basic function of the app, how to install, how to take a screenshot and markup, how to take a screen recording, how a link is copied, and how to paste into Slack or an email. And then finally, we'll learn how to navigate to the Droplr Dashboard. So first, to get started, you'll want to head over to droplr.com, select the apps icon, and you'll want to download the Apple download here. I already have this downloaded on my machine, so Droplr will appear up in the menu bar as this drop icon. Now to get started, you'll click on the Droplr icon and you'll begin with taking a screenshot. So I'll simply just select screenshot here and these crosshairs will appear. I can draw on any area of my screen that I'd like to capture, and once I let go of my mouse, that drop will upload into the cloud and create a short link. So we can paste this link anywhere. I'll show you how we can paste that into Slack. You'll just right click or Command V to paste, and it'll preview right in line in your Slack channel. Next, I'll show you how we can take a screenshot with Markup. So I'll drag on any area of my screen like before, and these annotation tools will appear. So we can draw an arrow, point things out. I can even change this to a rectangle if I want this information to be highlighted a little bit more. We have a pen and a highlighter option. Maybe you want something highlighted here. You can also move things around after you've done them. And then we have my favorite option here, which is emojis. And then we've got text. So from here, we can change our font. We've got 3 different font options as well as 5 different sizes. So maybe I want to write some text. And then for anyone who wants to blur out any sensitive information, you can do that with our blur feature. We also have color options if you'd like to change any of your annotation colors, and even more advanced color options here. Super nice and handy. So we can straight download this to our desktop if you'd like, or we hit save and copy URL and that will upload into the cloud. Copy that link and you can paste that anywhere once again. So here I'll show you how we can paste it easily in an email. I have a preview service installed in my Gmail, so it previews nicely right there and I can send that screenshot off really easily. So next I am going to show how we can take a screencast. We have 2 options under screencast, HD video and GIF. HD video will include an audio recording and then a GIF will not. So I'm going to select this HD video option. I'll drag on my screen the area I want. This is already preset, so if you want to change your preset options you can. If you'd like to just drag on a different area of your screen, you can also do that here. So the other options we have here, we can change our microphone and then we can change the timer at the beginning. So I selected mine to start recording with no head start. This can be delayed by 5 seconds or we can delay it by 10 seconds at recording. So once you're done changing all those options, you'll just hit record at the bottom of your screen. And now I've begun recording. We can easily change pages, do whatever we need to do, scroll. It's recording my audio as well as my screen. So once I'm ready to be done with that recording, I'm going to come up here into the menu bar and hit this stop icon. If I'm not satisfied with that recording, I'll hit cancel and delete. If I am satisfied, I'll hit finish recording here. That'll take a second to upload, and it'll upload the same way the screenshot and the marked up screenshot will upload. So now I'll just paste this into a browser so you can see how that works. So it'll be a nice inline preview of that video I just created. You'll just hit play right here. And now I've begun recording. We can easily change So super easy way to send a screencast to a client or somebody if you want them to visually see and hear what you have to say. The next thing I want to go over is this list of drops here. This is your last 10 drops that you've taken in your Droplr account. If I hover over this, you can easily grab that quick link direct to that screenshot or file. If it's a screenshot, I can click this pencil icon and quickly annotate it. If you have other applications you want to be able to drag this into, we have this nice hand icon, and you can just drag and drop that file straight from the Mac app. And then if you don't want that file anymore, maybe you want to easily just remove it from your account, we have this nice X icon, and I can just exit that. It'll delete the drop, and it'll be removed from your account entirely. If you want to look at all the drops in your account, maybe you want to see more than just the last 10 drops, you'll click View All Drops here, and this will take you to your Droplr Dashboard. So this is where all your Droplr files will live. I have about maybe 5,000 drops in my account, so it's really easy to just get lost in here. So we have some ways that we can sort. You can view this in a grid or a list form, and then I can also sort based on title, size, view, and create it on an activity date. And then if I want to do something with maybe one or multiple drops, I can select a bunch at once or just 2 or 3 at a time. I can copy the link to all these at once. I can download all these to my desktop. I can add them to boards. So boards are basically a collection of drops, and we'll get into that later in a different demo. You can also change the drop privacy. Maybe I want a password added to these, or maybe I want these to self-destruct. And then maybe I don't want these in my account anymore. So we've got options here that you can manage your drops a little bit more on this dashboard. So that is all I have for this demo. And so during this demo, you learn how to capture and share screenshots and screencasts instantly. So there's no need to save files because everything is saved into the cloud.